What if a sharp cooling period is coming that will last millions of years? What will happen if the planet Earth freezes over again? And what does humanity have to worry about? The new ice age. This is our topic for today. Welcome to What's in Mind. The ice age on Earth has already begun. Fortunately, we are not in the middle of one, but instead we are in a geological interval of warmer. And when this ends, the real cold will come. According to the studies focused in previous glacial epochs, an analysis of ice helped the scientists a lot, and by looking closer to the bottom of oceans, allow us to understand further tens of millions years ago, back into the Earth's past. The first ice age was in 2.4 billion years ago, when the planet received about 50% of sunlight than it does today. The Earth stayed frozen for more than 280 million years. The next one was the Cryogenian. It began about 720 million years ago. The highest temperature was minus 20 degrees Celsius. Only bacteria near a few hot springs survived the ice age. By looking to the Saturn's moon, the Earth was just about the same during the ice age. The next one began about 450 million years ago and stayed for 30 million years, but it was nothing compared to Cryogenia. The light of the sun is sometimes obscured from us by glaciatic gas and dust clouds. Our climate is also affected by changes in the Earth's orbit and its axial tilt. Same events occur every 26,000 and 41,000 years. In addition, changes in Earth's orbit have a cycle of 93,000 years. Our planet revolves around the Sun in an ellipse, first approaching our star, then moving away. The Earth is also periodically cooled by volcano eruption. Their emission pollute the atmosphere and trap sunlight. The world ocean absorbs carbon dioxide that warms the atmosphere. Some scientists predict an intense cold in the near future. But how is this possible when temperatures on Earth are only rising? Glaciers are constantly melting, and mankind is actively fighting global warming. We have emitted a huge amount of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere so far. This is holding back the advance of glaciers. And yet, according to many scientists, nature will take over, but this would take a bit longer time. However, other scientists think global warming is actually bringing global cooling. Whenever this new ice age comes, it will undoubtedly change the earth, like what happened during the previous glaciation over 10,000 years ago, when glaciers redrew landscape of our planet. With highest degree 10 degrees Celsius and lowest minus 50 degrees Celsius. The entire global geopolitical order would also be turned upside down. Water bodies would change dramatically. Shapes will become useless. New islands suitable for life would form within the ocean. Everything would eventually collapse. Battle over food would begin. What are the solutions? How can we deal with it? Or how can we defeat it before it happens? Huge crowds run to move to south. If it is here, can we survive as an intelligent creatures or we just gonna die?